Full comparison between Mbank and Ruya Bank zero balance accounts in the UAE. 1. Minimum balance. Both are zero balance accounts, but Ruya Bank has no hidden fees, while Mbank charges small maintenance inactivity fees. Chile. Salary requirement. Both allow account opening even if your salary is below AED 1000, no salary transfer required. 3. Account opening. Both take less than 5 minutes using UAE pass, no documents needed. 4. Debit card. Ruya gives a free debit card. Delivery might take time. Mbank charges AED 26.25 for a new card but delivers it faster. 5. Deposits. Mbank wins. You can deposit through FAB ATMs, Lulu, Al Ansari, and Al Fardan exchanges. Ruya has limited deposit machines. 6. International transfers. Neither bank supports direct international transfers. Use apps like TapTap Send or voting money instead. 7. Hidden fees. No hidden fees. Mbank. AED 26.25 every 3 months. If inactive, avoid it by making one transaction or keeping AED 500 balance.